Hello everyone, this is Gopal here, and this is the video regarding the steps to be followed by the user if they use Imaris Workstation. Okay, so if you go to log into Imaris 1 or 2, and no matter which version of Imaris you work with, we just double click, right, in order to open the Imaris. Once you open, you will be seeing the arena. Right now, there is no data set available for this arena, but no matter what you do, the first step should be go to the help, license, go to calculation tab, and please ensure that the number of parallel jobs should be at least 12. Okay, I mean, I have changed the setting for my account because I don't have admin rights, so you have to do it by yourself every time you open Imaris and work with Imaris. It is very likely that you have to do it like only once as a per user, but it's always a good practice just to ensure before you start working on a big data set. Okay, so if it is 12 core, means that we are utilizing the 12 cores of the computer, so it will be faster. Um, then the cache limit. So this has to be 32 gigabyte because the total RAM is 64. So at least it should be 50% of your RAM. So please make sure this number should be equivalent to 32 gigabyte. And the path to cache memory should be on the D drive. Okay. So if it is on C drive, please change it to D drive. How to change it? Just go to add, go to D drive, okay, and go to the stamp folder. The folder has already been created in D drive. Okay, so you just have to give the path to this stamp folder. What it does is that if your data set is beyond 32 gigabytes, so it will take some cache memory from the D drive. So if this has been set to C drive, of course the system will take space from C drive, and this is dangerous, right? So one should avoid it. Okay, so it's set to D drive now. Everything is fine here. Then you go to Arena tab, and in Arena tab, this is very important because by default, if you install or if you're a first-time user on Imaris, this will be set to the C drive path. So C colon program data bit plane. So you should modify this and say, okay, modify storage location to D drive, and in D drive should go to D Imaris data storage. So remember, I have created this folder here. So you should be seeing, every user should see this folder. And you click here, just go to data storage and say select folder. Okay. And say okay. Done. So from now on, whatever you do on Arena, that will be saved in D drive and not in C drive. This was the case before, and that's why the C drive was exploding actually. Okay, so every user must ensure that the Arena tab into data storage location is set to D drive, to Imaris underscore data underscore storage. Okay, and that's it. So this is regarding the case B according to the email, right? And if you're working on case A, then you directly go to File, Open, and go to Network Drive. See, for example, in my case, it's Danstem, Common, whatever the network drive, that should be okay. So as long as you're working on network drive, that's fine. You import your data, you process your data, right? And then you save back to the network drive. So you don't use at all the D drive and C drive. But just in case if you find that this Imaris is responding slow, then you copy your data to D drive, not C drive, and start working from there if you're only working on individual data. And if you want to use Arena, then you must ensure that your license and this by default storage path is set to D drive. Okay, and also this calculation. So this also should be 32 gigabyte. I hope it is helpful. Thank you.